carefully selected his visitors whom he can share with wonderful and unforgettable event in his life.
Since all of us became part of his journey, he made sure he experienced all but not limited to best.
Now it is just a bit the program proper will start.
We request our visitors, family and friends to please find a comfortable area where you can stay for 2 to 3 hours. Ladies and gentlemen, embrace yourselves and be ready as we introduce to you our host, Mr. Diesel John Sombrero
And Miss Marifer Kiad.
Let's give them a big round of applause.
What's up, my little people?
Magabi sa inyong lahat!
Make some noise, palapag naman po dyan sa bahiyawan!
Kumain na ba ang lahat?
Ang partner, mukhang medyo mahina pa ang hiyawan nila ngayong gabi, kaya isa pa, palapag sa bahiyawan! There you have it. Gaano nyo nga ba kamahal si Sir Toto ngayong gabi? Isa pa, partner, pasigawin mo sabay palapag.
Sabay palakpak! Ang makabalik na partner, nakakain tayo? Isang malakas na palakpak ulit!
Anyway, sa lahat po ng ating mga bisita na doon sa likod, kung pa pwede po, pwede tayong umupo dito sa gitna ng ating venue kung saan para po tayo lahat ay makapag-pwesto na maayos. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to thank you all for gracing this joyful occasion, especially to those who have traveled far just to be with us. Kaya palakpakan niyo naman po ang inyong mga sarili for being with us this evening. And for the ladies and gents partner,
So, to formally introduce our celebrants for tonight.
but before that, yes partner, medyo may pinaghahandaan pa ang ating birthday celebrator ngayong gabi.
Yes naman, partner.
Kasi hindi pwedeng sa gigilid lamang ang beauty ng ating Sir Toto this evening.
Correct!
Kailangan siya yung pinakamaganda.
At pinaka-sexy,
And of course, the most gorgeous celebrator this evening.
at ang pinaka-alert sa lahat ng alert!
Yes, that's right, partner. And of course, gusto din natin i-shoutout yung ating mga bisita na nanggaling pa sa iba't ibang dako ng Sultan Kudarat. Alam po namin, ganun po ang pagmamahal ninyo kay Sir Toto for gracing this joyful occasion. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo.
So, I would like to thank everyone na pumunta kayo dito at nag-alok kayo ng time para kay Sir Toto.
Yes, that's right, partner. And for the information of everybody, I am host John together with my partner, host
am
Beauty.
Good evening, everyone.
Alright, and you look so gorgeous this evening, partner.
Likewise, partner.
Alright, and before that, I think all is set, and now, partner, you may do the honors.
Okay, to introduce our celebrant for tonight, let me call Sir